In this video, we're going to learn to use the Stabilize and Go tool, which will give you the Floriani recipes for success with stabilizing your designs. And so you need to have an embroidery design open on your screen to be able to use the tool. Let's go ahead and use our Finder, select an embroidery design and open that up. And you'll notice now the tool is available. It's right here. It's a wizard hat over a disc. If you have the Floriani Finder or the Floriani Customizer on monogramming levels, it will be called Stabilize and Go. If you own the Floriani Fusion software or the FTCU software, then this tool becomes a little bit more powerful, and it's called Save to Sew. Save to Sew will actually analyze and make changes to the embroidery design, as well as provide the stabilizer recommendations. The Stabilize and Go option is the, beginning of the tool. It does not analyze and make changes to your designs, but it will give you the wonderful Floriani recipes for success. Let's go ahead and give it a try. You click on the tool and a window opens up which allows you to tell the program what you will be sewing the design on. And there's a wide list of, different fabrics that could be chosen from. And so you scroll through the list and find something that is similar to what you're sewing on, or, closest match. I'll choose denim. And notice that there's denim I digitized and I didn't digitize. This has more to do with the design analyzing than it does the stabilizing. But nevertheless, the question is the same. Did you digitize the design, or is it one that you perhaps bought? If it's one you bought, you can choose I didn't. If it's one you made, you can choose I did. And either way, you're going to get the same stabilizer recipe, so I'm not sure it matters for us using the Finder level. But let's go ahead and choose I didn't digitize, and now we need to say next. And this is where we get the recipe. And so now the program is saying that Floriani is suggesting that you fuse Heat and Stay, which is a fusible tearaway stabilizer, to the back of the denim. And then it's suggesting that you hoop the fused item, your fused denim shirt or pants in the embroidery hoop, and then top it with a clear Heat and Gone topper. If any of these products are unfamiliar to you, there's a link here to learn more about what Heat and Stay is, and a link here to watch a video on YouTube that will tell you all about how to use that stabilizer. Finally, down at the bottom, it suggests using a number 11 Floriani chrome embroidery needle. All of this is a recipe, and when you click Finish, it will be added to your design. Now the save window comes up, and of course you can choose any embroidery format that you wish and save the design to your USB or in any folder location that you like. And so that is kind of how Stabilize and Go works. One of the things that's really awesome about using Stabilize and Go is that this design, now that you've told the program what fabric you're sewing it on, the recipe has been added to the design note. So notice in your properties box that there's an information tab. There's also a notes tab. And when you click on the Notes tab, there's your Step 1 and Step 2 and Step 3 and the special instructions from that recipe. And even better, if you click on your Print Preview tool right now, you will find that those stabilizer notes have been added to the printed design run sheet. And so that is what we call Stabilize and Go. And if you do have the FTCU or the Fusion software, then it's even better, and it's called Save to Sew. And so I hope you enjoyed today's video all about using the tool called Stabilize and Go.